Andromeda Stevens here. I am the scoliosis coach in Encino, California, located at Pilates Sports Center. Please find me on Facebook, on YouTube, or you could email me at scoliosiscoach@gmail.com. I'm here to tell you all about my scoliosis workshop and let you know what kind of things we're going to be covering. It's a very large and intensive workshop. It can be spanned over 1 or 2 days, depending on how in-depth we get with the repertoire equipment. We're going to be covering the types of scoliosis. You need to know what type you're dealing with and what types we can actually work with. Exercise goals. It's very important to know what to avoid as well as what to focus on with the client to support them and not possibly make it worse. Very important. Everybody wants to learn how to assess their client. It's the most important thing to them other than actually programming. So we're going to learn how to assess your client simply in the studio using a scoliometer, which you can buy on Amazon. You can download an app on your phone. So that will be amazing. We're going to learn a breathing lab. It's very specific breathing to different types of scoliosis and kyphosis, as a matter of fact. And we're going to be doing a very cool wedging lab. The spine, when it's curved, also rotates in different directions, and the wedging can support the spine, derotate the spine, make the client more comfortable. This is also, of course, you could be doing this workshop for yourself. We're going to learn how to program your client like we talked about, but now we're going to be moving into specifically mat repertoire, equipment repertoire, as well as some foam rolling techniques, which are great for making the spine more supple, decreasing pain, and working out adhesions. The workshop is good for 12 PMA CECs, and there is a very intensive, I think it's an amazing take-home workbook that you're going to get. Included in the workbook is an assessment chart. So we're going to be going over this in depth when we do the assessment so that you can mark down everything that's happening with your client. This is repeatable. It's a handout, but I also am available to email this to you at any time so you can use it over and over again. So I hope you'll join us. Please let me know if you have any questions. Again, you can reach me at scoliosiscoach@gmail.com. Thank you.